In this video, we're going to take a closer look at AWS CloudShell. Normally, when you want to interact with AWS services like the CLI, you'd have to install the AWS CLI on your local machine, configure credentials, and make sure it's always kept up to date. But sometimes you just need a quick and ready-to-go way to run CLI commands directly in your AWS account without any extra setup. That's where AWS CloudShell comes in. CloudShell is a browser-based shell environment that lets you run AWS CLI commands instantly from your browser. It's available directly in the AWS Management Console, so you don't need to download or configure anything. Just open it and you can start running commands immediately. It comes really handy in situations where you just want to test a quick command or verify permissions or troubleshoot an issue without setting up the CLI locally. For example, if you need to check an S3 bucket, describe an EC2 instance, or run a quick IAM command, CloudShell saves you the extra steps and lets you get the results right from the console. You can think of CloudShell as having a built-in terminal window right inside the AWS console. It comes pre-authenticated with your user permissions, so the commands that you run will automatically respect the IAM policies of your account. And because it's cloud-based, you can access it from anywhere without depending on your laptop setup. Alright, let's go over some of the key points about CloudShell. CloudShell comes with a variety of pre-installed tools and runtimes, including Python, Node.js, Bash, PowerShell, Git, and many more things. These tools makes it easy to script, test, or even integrate quick automation tasks without switching tools. Second, each CloudShell session provides you with persistent storage, 1 GB of space per region. That means your files, scripts, and configurations are saved between sessions. So if you upload a script today, it will still be there the next time you open CloudShell in the same region. Third, let's talk about limits and cost considerations. Using CloudShell itself doesn't incur any additional charge, but remember, it runs inside your AWS environment. That means if you create resources through the CLI, such as launching an EC2 instance or provisioning an S3 bucket, you'll be billed for those resources in the usual way. Alright, that wraps up our overview of AWS CloudShell. CloudShell is a simple but powerful way to run AWS CLI commands right from your browser without any setup. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.